Morning, children. So we have done chapter number 1, 2, 4 and 5, and now from today we will start revision from chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is maps and globes. Students, can you tell me which planet is this? This is our planet Earth, and we know life is possible on the only planet Earth due to the right temperature, weather. So, the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. And the Earth is not a perfect sphere because it is flat at poles. Poles mean, students, you can see here upside in red circle you can see this is a pole, north pole, and downside is south pole. So these are the two poles. Upside is north pole and downside is south pole, and our earth is flat from upside, flattened. It is flattened. And you can see here, student, the surface area of our planet consists of 70% water and 30% land. You can see in the picture of Earth that blue area, this is of water bodies. These are water bodies which is covered with blue, and this green part is land. So our 70% is covered with water and 30% is with land. Now let's talk about continent. The huge land masses on the earth's surface of the earth is called continent. The huge land masses on the surface of the earth is called continent. You can see here these are the continent: Europe, Africa, Antarctica, South America, North America, Asia and Australia. So student, these are the continent. These are the 7 continent in the world. How many continent in the world? 7. And Asia is the continent where we live. Again, we will revise this definition. The huge land masses on the surface of the earth is called continent. You can see here, these are the ocean. These are the ocean. The huge water bodies which we saw in the earth portion, blue part. So, the huge water bodies on the earth are called ocean. You can see in this picture, these are the oceans. Pacific Ocean, you can see foresight, and Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, you can see here this side also. So these are the ocean, means this blue part. You can see here in this blue part oceans are there, means this is the part for water bodies. So next, what is globe? Students, what is globe? A globe is a model of the earth. A globe is a model of the earth, and it gives an accurate picture of the earth's surface. It gives an accurate picture of the earth's surface. It shows the location of places on the smaller scale. You can see this map. This is a picture of map, students, and you can see this area. You can see which area it is showing you this side. So at the one time you can see only one portion of the globe. Both the sides you cannot see together. So what is globe? Globe is a model of earth, and it gives an accurate picture of the earth's surface, and It shows the location of places on the smaller scale. You can see here, this is a picture of Earth, student, which I told you, upside North Pole and downside South Pole. These are the two poles in which Earth is divided, and you see here in the center of this equator is there. So equator divides our Earth into two parts. Upside is North Pole and downside is South Pole. Maps. What are maps? Students, a map is a flat drawing of the earth or part of the earth. A map can show you the whole world at one time. As we were looking in the globe, we cannot see whole part at a one time, but in map we can see whole part of the world at one time. So map is a flat drawing of the earth or part of the earth, and a map can show you the whole part at one time. So there are several types of students, there are several types of maps, each show different information. I will tell you also one by one which type of maps, which different type of maps. So there are several types of map and each show different information. Students, most maps include a compass rose. You can see here, this is a compass rose. This is a picture of compass rose. N north, E east, S south and W west. So which includes which way is north, south, east and west. These are called cardinal direction. So student, this compass shows us, this compass indicates us which way is north and which way is south, east and west. Let's start. What is map and what is globe, and advantages and disadvantages of maps and globe. What is it? Students, scale model of Earth that shows actual shape. Globe tells us actual shape, size and location of the earth, land masses and water bodies. So globes tells us actual location, land masses and water bodies. But map, you can see, map is a drawing or representation on a flat surface of a region. It is a drawing or representation of a flat surface of a region. Now advantages of globe are shape of land and body are accurate. The shape of land and water bodies are accurate on the globe, and compass direction are correct. Distance from one location to another is accurately represented. So it is correctly represented on the globe. But on the map, it can show detail too small to be seen on a globe, and flat can be easily folded. This maps we can easily folded and carried. These are the advantages. Now we are talking about disadvantages. Student, globe cannot show small area in great detail. Globes cannot show small areas in great detail and not easily folded or carried. Everybody knows it is not carried easily. And maps size, shape and relative location of a place may not be accurate. So this is a map which we cannot say the size and shape and location, which information is given here, that is accurate. But in globe we can say that the information is correct and accurate. So these were the advantages and disadvantages of globe and map. Now types of map. You can see here there are many types of maps to show different type of information. There are many different type of map to show different types of information. Some of them they described below. You can see here these are political map. Second is physical map. Third is thematic maps, and fourth is topographic map. So student, these are the different type of maps. So now we have discussed about it. More about it we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.